Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to update the PayPal application. So guys, the first thing that you can of course need to do is go to paypal.com or go and download the actual PayPal application so that you can go and of course then update it. Of course after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have here in front of us. So here on PayPal, we have some basic things as the home screen, send, wallet, activity, and help. We have the send and request and other different kind of options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update the actual application on your phone. So the first thing that you can do is log into paypal.com with your account in question. You will need your old phone with old authenticator. Go to settings, then go to security, then two-step verification, and update if you don't have a backup. Make one, of course. For example, your mobile phone for your backup as primary. But of course, you have another option that you can do. You can always go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and go in the search bar and type the PayPal application name. Click on it and you will have an update as you can see on the screen here. So you will have uninstall and update. You will have, if you don't have an update, you will have uninstall and open. So the open button will become update button. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.